If you're designing with a really expensive material in mind, like carbon fiber, one of my recommendations is you start with an inexpensive material first for your prototypes. So something like chipboard. Chipboard is basically, it's just cardboard. Same kind of cardboard you'd find in like a Coors Light box or maybe a cereal box, something like that. So $7 for a single unit. I actually recommend ordering a few different variations all at the same time. They'll be shipped to you in the same box. It's a little more inexpensive. You can practice, with a few different layouts or something like that. Once you're happy with the overall layout, maybe try a different prototype material with a little more rigidity. This is hardboard. Hardboard is almost like an MDF. It's a wood-based product, but it's a little more flexible, a little more forgiving than MDF. Really inexpensive as well, about $20 for a single unit, and our pricing will drop up to 50 or 70% as quantity increases. So once you're happy with your prototype and you're ready to move on to something that's the final project, like carbon fiber, this one's going to be about $250 shipped to your door in a quantity of 1. To get pricing on your design, feel free to upload your DXF or STEP file to sendcutsend.com.